When your career is driving a commercial motor vehicle, you risk losing your livelihood with a DUI. You should know that there are ways to fight and minimize the damage. Commercial drivers face enhanced penalties for DUI convictions. Understanding how the stricter blood alcohol limits can affect a commercial driver's employment is vital. So let's go over some of the legal challenges a commercial driver may face if they're charged with a DUI. So when comparing somebody who has a CDL compared to a normal person who has just a regular driver's license, the holder of a CDL faces much more stringent requirements in keeping their BAC lower. In fact, while a normal driver is able to have a .08, a CDL driver can only have a BAC of a .04 or below. A commercial driver's license will obviously get suspended if you are found guilty of a DUI. If it's your first conviction, it's a 1-year suspension by the Colorado Department of Motor Vehicles. If it's a second or subsequent conviction, it's a lifetime ban. There is an exception, however, and that's if you are somebody who is licensed to transport hazardous materials. Even your first conviction can result in a 3-year ban. There are obvious consequences that come with a CDL DUI. Obviously, you can't be a commercial truck driver without a CDL license, and so if your CDL license is suspended, then you lose that ability to do your job. Additionally, if you're looking for employment, whether it's in the public sector or private sector, they're going to want you to have that CDL, and that could be a huge hindrance to you finding a new job. If you have a CDL license and you're convicted of a DUI, unfortunately, you're going to face stiffer penalties and consequences than somebody who has a normal driver's license. This can include higher fines, more jail time, an extended probation sentence, an extended suspension of your license, and obviously there's the job consequences that come from it as well, including potential sudden job loss and it being very difficult to find a new job. You may be wondering whether or not, if you have your CDL suspended, can you still drive a personal vehicle or a non-commercial vehicle? Unfortunately, the answer is it depends. You're going to have to go to the DMV and either try to get a reinstatement to a lower class of license. You're going to unfortunately have to jump through whatever hoops the DMV wants you to in order to potentially get some sort of lower license. That could include having an interlock inside your car as well. Just like somebody who has a regular driver's license, someone who has a CDL is just as much entitled to having a full legal defense. So it's the same potential defenses that apply for your CDL case as they would if you didn't have a CDL but just a regular driver's license. This includes attacking probable cause for the stop, whether or not the officer had enough reasonable suspicion to either effect that stop or suspect that you have committed a DUI, being able to attack the blood test results or breath test results, and of course being able to go to trial and forcing the state to uphold its burden to try to prove you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. Don't let a commercial DUI arrest mean that your career is over. I understand the unique challenges that a commercial driver may face when charged with a DUI. If you or someone you know is in this situation, seek out the guidance of our team and reach out to us for a case assessment.